Hey, hello guys, how are you? Are you ready for today's class? Yes, excellent, very good.
Okay guys, so today we're going to learn about adjectives for animals. As you know, all animals have different characteristics which make them different from each other. So we're going to learn how to describe them. Yes? Como ustedes saben, todos los animales son diferentes entre ellos. Entonces vamos a ver algunos adjetivos para poderlos describir. Okay, so for the next part, I need you to open your student's book on page 75. Okay, so take out your student's book and open it on page 75. Okay, so for exercise 5 says, listen and say, write the animals in the correct groups. Okay, so for the first part, if you see, we have some pictures. We have a giraffe, a polar bear, a goat, a kangaroo, and a parrot. So if you see in the pictures, we have some words like a tongue, four horns, a pouch, and wings. So we're going to listen to the description, okay? And then we're going to answer the exercise that is down the pictures, all right? Entonces, para esta parte vamos a escuchar el audio y para cada animal nos va a describir o nos va a decir que lo hace diferente a los demás. ¿De acuerdo? Tenemos palabras como tongue, lengua, fur, pelaje, horns, cuernos, pouch, bolsa, and wings, alas. Y después vamos a pasar al ejercicio de abajo. Ok, so listen. Ok, don't repeat. No lo repitan, solo escúchanlo. Ok, here we go. Pay attention.
Activity 5. Listen and say. Write the animals in the correct groups.
A tongue. A giraffe has a long tongue.
Fur. A polar bear has thick white fur.
Horns. A goat has 2 horns.
A pouch. A kangaroo has a pouch.
Wings. A parrot has colorful wings.
Okay, very good. So now, repeat after me. Repeat after me, all right? A tongue. A tongue. Okay, next. Fur. Repeat. Fur. Okay, next. Horns. Horns. Okay, the next one. A pouch. A pouch. Okay, and the last one. Wings. Wings. Excellent. So now I'm going to say the description for each picture. Okay, the first one, a giraffe has a long tongue. Okay, la jirafa tiene una lengua larga. Next, a polar bear has thick white fur. El oso polar tiene un pelaje grueso y blanco. Next, a goat has 2 horns. La cabra tiene 2 cuernos. A kangaroo has a pouch. El canguro tiene una bolsa. A parrot has colorful wings. El cotorro tiene alas coloridas. Okay, very good. So now, for the exercise that is below, para el ejercicio que tenemos en la parte de abajo. Okay, we're going to write these words like cat, dog, rabbit, polar bear, kangaroo, penguin, butterfly, cow, and goat into the correct group, en el grupo correcto. Okay, so we have some animals that has have a pouch. Tenemos algunos animales que tienen bolsa, que son los marsupiales. Some animals have fur. Algunos animales tienen pelaje. Some animals have wings. Algunos animales tienen alas. And we have an example that is parrot. And some animals has horns. Y algunos animales tienen cuernos. Okay, so we're going to write the words in the correct column. Okay, so please do it and then we check. Háganlo y ahorita lo checamos. Okay. Okay, did you finish? Yes? Very good. Let's check. So in the first column, we have animals that have a pouch. And the word is kangaroo. Okay? Check it, please. Chequenla, por favor. The second column, we have animals that have fur. Animales que tienen pelaje. And the words are polar bear and rabbit. Okay? The same. Check your answers. Chequen sus respuestas. Next column, wings. Animals that have wings. We already have parrot, and the other words are duck, butterfly, and penguin. Remember, the penguins have wings. Los pingüinos tienen alas, but they can't fly, pero no pueden volar. Okay? And the last column, horns. Animals that have horns. We have a goat and a cow. Tenemos la cabra y la vaca. Okay? Check your answers, please. If you have a mistake, correct. Si tienen algún error, hay que corregirlo, ¿de acuerdo? And we're going to continue with exercise 6. Let's continue with exercise 6. And I'm going to read the instructions. It says, work with a partner, guess and stick. Trabaja con un compañero, adivina y pega. So for this part, you're going to use your stickers. You're going to use 5 of them. Para esta parte van a usar sus stickers, solo 5. ¿Cómo lo van a trabajar? Okay, so you can play with your parents or with your siblings. Pueden trabajar con sus papás o con sus hermanos, brother or sister, hermano o hermana. Okay. You're going to guess or you're going to describe an animal. Sorry. Van a describir un animal. And the other person is going to guess. Va a tratar de adivinarlo. If the other person guesses your animal, si la otra persona adivina el animal que ustedes describieron, paste the sticker. Peguen su sticker. I already did one. Ya hice uno. Yes, which is the polar bear, because in the description we have a polar bear. I'm going to read the example. It says, this animal is big and white. Dice, este animal es grande y blanco. It lives in the snow. Y vive en la nieve. It has sharp claws. Y tiene garras afiladas. So the other person says, it's a polar bear. Entonces la otra persona dice, es un oso polar. Entonces ahí yo pegué el oso polar. Entonces ustedes van a hacer lo mismo con alguna persona en su casa, ¿de acuerdo? Y van a pegar los 5 stickers, ¿ok? Is it clear? ¿Está claro? Yes, right? Okay, very good. If you finish with your student's book, si terminaron con el student's book exercise 6, I need you to write these words in your notebook. Necesito que escriban estas palabras en su libreta. Remember, vocabulary part, en su parte de vocabulario. Okay, we have the word tongue, that means lengua, thick fur, pelaje grueso, horns, cuernos, pouch, bolsa, and wings, alas. So, write these words in your notebook, please. Vocabulary part. Okay. Now we're going to continue with the workbook with teacher Laura. Okay.